As you can read from the title, this video automatically updates based on the view count and the dislikes. I guess it's almost like a rite of passage for anyone CS YouTube adjacent to copy Tom Scott's original video, and it took me about a full day to figure out how to do. I'm not going to waste your time with a technical explanation because there's far better videos out there who already do that, but I will link my GitHub repo and the steps I followed in the description below. To fill out the rest of the video, I'm just going to leave some clips of a startup event yesterday that my friend Yang was judging and some bomb Thai food we had afterwards. Thanks.
We provide Trojan founders with an all-in-one framework to grow startups through.
He was also an entrepreneur and invented an audio device that's actually used nationwide by the state government by the primitive technology.
So the question is why? Well,
I guess switching gears now to audio products.
Those are like the target audience.